Hi, this is Mr. McGovern. This is the 7th video in the electric circuit series where we're going to look at Ohm's law. So Ohm's law is a relationship between voltage, current and resistance, and it's a linear relationship. V is voltage, I is the symbol for current, as we know measured in amps, and R is the symbol for resistance, measured in ohms. So when you're using Ohm's law, most formulas in physics are very easy to use. The complication in this one, when you use it, is people get mixed up as what they're using it for. So I always say add subscripts. Subscripts are just little labels so you know what's going on. So here is an example of a circuit, 9 volt total, and I've got bulb A and bulb B. If I ever wanted to go through and do a calculation using the total voltage, I'd make sure to use Ohm's law, but label my voltage, my current, my resistance, all with a T for total. So I know I was making sure I'm getting the total voltage, total current, and total resistance. If I wanted to use Ohm's law for something over component A, bulb A, again I'd label it with a little a, so I know which one I'm doing it for. I know I'm just running just the voltage over A, just the current through A, and just the resistance of A. So a quick example, a series circuit here. We have the total voltage is given 9 volts, and we've got some information here but some missing. So let's just say we wanted to work out the current through B. So I want to work out the current through B. Ohm's law is what I use. Rearrange it because I want to find current, I, so I've made V over R, and then I make sure I label it because there's so many different voltages to use and ohms to use and even currents. I want to make sure I get the right one. So in this case, I've got the voltage through B divided by the resistance of B, which I've got, 5 over 5. Find that out, and that's 1 amp. So that's it. Make sure you add your subscripts when you're using Ohm's law.